Good morning, everyone. I, Kuratulain, your host for today's program. Let's begin this day with this quote. The duty of student is not just to learn, but to uplift those around them. I would like to invite Murtuza for class 9th B to recite verses of the Holy Quran. Please come forward.
قالوا ربنا أفرغ علينا صبرا وثبت أقدامنا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
कब्र क्या है अंधेरा सगर है जहाँ मारिफत के सिवा कोई सपना नहीं मारिफत के सिवा कोई सपना नहीं वो बहुत ही अंधेरी जगह है वहाँ कोई आवर नहीं कोई अपना नहीं.
Now let's hear an informative speech. Today we have Zahra from class 10th who will speak on topic what responsibilities students have. Please welcome her.
Admired teachers and my esteemed schoolmates, I am your Zahra Batul, here to provide a speech. I hope you will listen carefully. First of all, I will greet you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My speech starts with a question. Who we are? We are students. Obviously, students. Why do we need to be a student? Can't we live a life without being a student? Yes, we can live our life without being a student. But we will get relief today. But tomorrow will be full of difficulties. We will have no path, no way, and then we can't even work on a goal because the time must have passed. Being a student, there are some responsibilities on us which I have to fulfill with all sincerity. And that's my topic too. Students' responsibilities towards society. As a student, we are not just learners. We are the future leaders, innovators, and citizens of the world. With our education, we gain not only knowledge, but also the power to shape our communities and make a positive impact. As a student, our responsibility towards society are multifaceted. Firstly, we must strive for academic excellence, not just for personal gain, but also to contribute betterment of our communities. Our knowledge and skill can be used to address social issues, promote sustainability, and drive positive change. Secondly, we must be active participants in our communities. We can volunteer, join clubs and organizations that align with our passions and engage initiatives that benefit society. By doing so, we not only give back to our communities, but also develop empathy, leadership skills, and a sense of social responsibility. Thirdly, we must be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment and society. We can adopt sustainable practices, reduce our carbon footprint, and promote eco-friendly habits among our peers. Lastly, we must respect and appreciate diversity, promoting inclusivity and social justice. We can be ambassadors of change, challenging stereotypes and biases, and fostering a culture of empathy and understanding. In conclusion, as a student, we have a crucial role to play in shaping the future of our society. Let us take our responsibilities seriously, strive for excellence, and work towards creating a better world for all. So for this, I want you all to stand up. Promise that we will fulfill our responsibilities well and fulfill it wholeheartedly. Sit down.
I feel truly honored to stand before you today and share my thoughts on a topic that is not only important but deeply relevant in today's world: the responsibility of students towards their community in the present time. What is responsibility? Responsibility means understanding our role and acting with awareness, honesty, and commitment. As students, we may not hold position of power, but we hold great potential to make a positive difference in our communities. Key responsibilities of students towards their community: spreading education and awareness. Many communities still suffer from literacy and ignorance. We as students can teach younger children, help organize study circles, or spread awareness about social issues like cleanliness, health, or importance of education. Promoting cleanliness and hygiene. Students can participate in cleanliness drives, the tree plantation, and create awareness about environmental protection in their areas. Being active on social platforms wisely. Instead of misusing social media, students can use to spread positivity, truth, and awareness, become voice of change and just. Helping the needy. Students can collect donations, clothes, or books for the underprivileged. Even a small act of kindness like helping an elderly neighbor matter. Promoting unity and respect. In a world full of divisions, students must rise and ambassadors of peace, tolerance, and harmony, breaking barriers of culture, religion, and language. Thank you.
Now for next speech, I would like to call here Hafiz Hilal from 9th P. Please welcome.
Education is not just learning facts but about training mind to think and the heart to care. With heartfelt respect to our honorable teachers, beloved classmates, and all present here, Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning to you all. I stand before you to speak on a topic that connects our present with the future, our responsibilities as students towards society. Being a student is not just about textbooks and exams. It's about becoming a person who learns, grows, and gives back. Society expects us, the youth, to be the builders of tomorrow, and that journey starts with responsibilities today. Our first duty is to gain knowledge with sincerity, because knowledge is power, and with power comes duty to use it wisely. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ said, "The seeking of knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim," reported in Ibn Majah. But knowledge without action is like a lamp without light. As students, we must use what we learn to help others, to speak the truth, to care for environment, and to stand against injustice. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world. So even if I am small, my actions can have big impact. If every child commits to doing what is right, society will grow in a place of peace, respect, mercy, and that is the true path of Islam encourages us to follow. In conclusion, let's not just listen but act. Jazakumullahu khairan.
I have the privilege of sharing some thoughts on a truly crucial matter. My speech on dedicated to a topic our responsibility towards society. We are all here living in a community, a state, a nation, and with that comes a fundamental truth. We each carry a responsibility towards society. It's not just about what we gain, but what we contribute. Think about it, every clean street, every helpful neighbor, every honest transaction. These are all tiny acts for a social responsibility. It's about showing up, being kind, treating others with respect, and caring for our shared environment. It's in standing up for what's right and extending a helping hand to those who need it. When we embrace this active duty, we don't just improve our own lives. We build a stronger, more compassionate, a prosperous society for everyone. So let's remember our small actions truly build a better society for everyone. The strength of our community depends on each of us. Let's embrace this responsibility and build a brighter future. And with that, I conclude my thoughts with this thought. For by the hands we lend and the hearts we share, for by the hands we lend and the hearts we share, a stronger, kinder world we build beyond compare. Thank you.